So hello guys, welcome back to my English spoken blog. So how are you all of you? I hope you are great and you are fine. So friend, and just I came here in the Vallabhgarh and I have to go for worship because I have to go Kalkaji temple in the Delhi. So for the worshipping right now I am going, and in this blog I won't talk to another person because after taking the bath I came here to try to understand. Okay, because it's our Indian culture, so worshipping is the best behavior, so that's why I'm going there. Okay, and today is a Monday, so that's why, and as well as you can speak and every day right now I am making a vlog, and as well as I am practicing also. So first of all I would like to tell you, and whatever I will mistake in this video, so please comment me, and every day give me a suggestion how to speak English fluently and competently. Okay, because you are a learner and I am learner also, so that's why right now I'm making a video. So in this purpose I am making, because I have to become a fluently speaker in the English field, because nowadays English is necessary, English is a power, English is a everything right now. Okay, if you want to grow in your life, if you want to visit the all over country, entire the world, so you will have to speak English fluently and competently. Okay, that should be behavior in the body, how to speak English fluently. So let's go from here. So finally friends, we have reached metro station, means Kalkaji temple metro station. See location. Okay, just we have to go towards the temple. Because there are no many people, I think there will be many people in the temple, I think, because many kind of person will come here for worshipping, so that's why you can understand. And as well as actually right now we are practicing English especially because we have to speak English, so that's why nowadays many kind of person are telling to me, why are you making a video in English? So actually I would like to talk to him, because I have to become a best fluent speaker in the English language. Actually bro, right now I am not able to speak English fluently because my tongue is cut right now. Okay, while making a blogs and many type of contents I have to use, so my tongue is cut, so it's right now it is paining right now. So I don't know, because now it's a compulsion, it's my behavior, and I have to speak English fluently from my heart, then I will speak English properly. Okay, so this is the location of Kalkaji temple. I hope you will be watch properly. Okay, this is the outside area of temple. Kalkaji temple, it's the best place and very popular place in the Delhi. So let's go. I think there is no traffic here. Okay, so I will be able to worship properly, and I will talk to the mom, means Durga ji. Yes, one day I could speak English fluently and confidently. So let's go, because this is the outside area. Okay, this is the outside area temple. Okay, you can see. I hope you would be watch properly. I think this is your way. Very best place for visiting, and you can worship. So you will. This is the way I have to go. Actually, many kind of person are looking at me, but without hesitation, I have to face it away. So no problem. Surely one day I will speak English properly. And right now I am speaking English, but right now I am getting a nervous. Okay. Actually, earlier time I was getting a nervous lot. Let's go. I have to buy a phone. So. Okay, you can see cinematic shot I would like to show you. This is the inside area in temple. You can see the best quality. I hope you are looking. Okay. So friends, many kind of person are worshipping here. Okay. You can see very best climates. This is the benefit of worship. You will get a positive energy. So let's go from here because I have to visit another.
माई बोलाले बारी हंसला तोले बारी चला कर दर्शन की.
So friends, I have worshipped. Okay, because according by the cinematic shot, I show you everything, but inside the temple, I make vlogs. So that's why I wasn't making a video. Okay. I wasn't able to make a video properly. So what are you thinking about this video? As well as right now I am speaking English. Okay, it's not best way, but wrong way and right way. And first time I won't mistake while speaking. So until I can't speak English fluently. Okay. So this is your way. Without mistaking, anybody can't vlog. Actually, I have been speaking English. I have been practicing English for 2 years. But in a conversation, I talk to anyone properly. But I go in front of among people. I go in front of the many kind of person. So I get nervous. So this is my negative thought. Okay. So I have to remove this thinking, this type of negative thinking I have to remove. So in this purpose right now I am practicing. So this is a metro station, and how did you like by watching this video? Please comment me, and as well as which type of sentence did I mistake? Also comment me. So I will meet you another vlog. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, bye bye, take care.
ओ कभी शाम ढले तो मेरे दिल